Meaning of dissolution.
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 Dissolution. Dissolution refers to the process of breaking something down into its component parts, often resulting in a loss of cohesion or unity. For example, the dissolution of a business partnership might involve the division of assets and termination of any shared agreements. Similarly, the dissolution of a solid in a liquid involves the separation of individual particles from one another. Overall, dissolution often leads to a sense of fragmentation or disintegration, as the original structure or framework is no longer intact.